so much for watching. My name is Aileen Jimenez. In today's video, I want to recreate this look that I think is perfect for the holidays, Christmas, New Year's Eve. And I want to be using this palette from Dose of Color that is a collaboration with DESI and KATY. This is the Francation palette. This palette is amazing. I think you should have it. And if you want to know how to recreate this look, just keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video on your social medias, and follow me on my social medias too. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I'm gonna try to do it more constantly, so make sure you like and subscribe. Now we'll see you on my next video. I'm gonna start by doing my brows with the Lock On Liner and Brow Cream from e.l.f. in this Morphe M207 brush. I'm just mapping my brows, and then I just fill it in and do a smaller stroke on the front of the brows. Making sure they both look the same. But remember, they are sisters, not twins. Now I'm going with this amazing palette from Dose of Colors and two amazing YouTubers, KATY and DESI. The basic color all over my crease to start this look. Do the same thing on my other eye. I don't know where this brush is from. I have it for a very long time. So then I'm going with Necessary. And I'm placing this color on the same place I placed the other one. Now I'm going with the shade Churro. Here I'm changing my brush to a more small brush so I can be more precise with this color on my outer V. And then I'm grabbing this clean brush from yeas Cosmetic to blend all the color together so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going with the next color, that is Girl Bye, and I'm placing this color all over my lid. Here I'm just taking a flat brush and a little bit of concealer to cut out the crease for a nice base for my next colors. I'm going with Try Me, and I'm placing this color on the center of my eyelids. Now I'm going with the shade just a kiss, you will see my reaction with this color because it's so beautiful. And I'm placing this on my inner third of the eye. This is the same color I'm gonna use as my inner corner too later on the video. I'm taking this brush to make sure I don't have any harsh lines and I can blend all the colors together. Now I'm color chin and darken it up my outer V so I can have that more smoked out. I'm taking this PH Cosmetic brush to blend all the colors together. Now I'm going with the Inkblot gel liner in the shade 77. I'm not doing any drama with this liner. I'm just outlining my upper line. I'm gonna link all the website to all the products I'm using on this video so you can purchase them. I'm taking this makeup remover wipe to wipe all the fallout that I have. I didn't have that much, and I'm putting my moisturizer in my primer and a little bit of setting spray. In this video I use the Maybelline Fit Me Doing Smooth Foundation, and I'm using a brush from BH Cosmetics. After going with the brush, I take my Real Technique beauty sponge and I'm just making sure everything looks flawless. And for concealer, I'm using two different concealers. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer and the MAC Pro Longer Concealer that is a little bit more lighter. I'm doing that just to highlight the center of my face. And I'm going with this smaller sponge from Real Technique. Making sure I blend that very well so I don't have any creases underneath my eyes. I'm having my moment here blending. For eyelashes, I purchased a lot of lashes from Amazon and I'm just using one pair from them. I don't know the name of the brand or anything like that. I will link them down below as all the products I'm using. So check out the description down below. And for mascara, I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. On your lashes, just make sure your glue is tacky and make sure you secure the lashes on the end of the inner corner of your eyes. For bronzer, I use the e.l.f. bronzer in the shade Forever Sun Kissed to contour. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. And to contour my nose, I use a smaller brush from BH Cosmetic as well. Now to finish up my eyes, I'm grabbing the same palette and I'm taking a little bit of chins and placing this color very close to my lash line. Then I'm taking a little bit of Girl Bye and Shuro and mixing them together to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm taking a little bit of my ink gel liner and just lining my waterline. And I'm taking a little bit of Just a Kiss and highlight my inner corner of the eyes. I'm going with a little bit of setting spray before going with my highlighter. The Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlight in the shade 100 Molden. This is a beautiful highlighter. I'm highlighting the high points on my face, my cheekbones, my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm taking the Urban Decay Setting Spray and setting my face. I'm using two different lipsticks in this video. One from Life Lam and the other one from Wet n Wild. The Life Lam is on the shade Milan and the Wet n Wild is on the shade 921B. And here you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed and liked this video. Please don't forget to like it and share it and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on my next video.